What's up, YouTube? Rando Finds here, and today we're going to take a look at two bags. The first one is Amazon Basics Slim Carry-On Backpack Overnight Purple. Let's take a look. All right, so the first one, Amazon Basics, and here we have one zipper compartment. It's pretty deep. We have another one here. Comes all the way down, so pockets here, zippers, a couple pockets here. Looks like you can store some pens there. Maybe put your umbrella here. Then up here, we have kind of a hidden pocket. It's not very deep. Looks like a perfect size for maybe a cell phone. Here we have a sleeve. And then this bigger compartment here, nice and padded on the outside. You could store laptop maybe in here. And then down here we have a zipper compartment. Here are the straps. Pull the straps out. And it looks like you can attach them. Hooks right here. Fully padded and has a nice section to slide over a carry-on, a roller bag. So Amazon Basics, and this is in purple. Next up, we have a bag from Cool Bill. Right. So this looks like it could either be a messenger bag or kind of like a briefcase, or you can wear it as a backpack. So first we have a zipper compartment here. Looks like maybe fit your phone, keys. Another compartment here. You can even put your phone there, another zipper compartment. And here, it's pretty deep. The handle's here, but you could probably put something in there as well. And you open it up, have a nice mesh section, two big sections. Put your laptop here and look at that, it's nice and padded. Right there, laptop, tablet. Another big section here where the handle is. You could probably just stick the handles in there, zip it up and carry it like a messenger bag. Or I'm sure you could take this off and carry it as a backpack. This looks like you could slide it on your luggage, your carry-on luggage, wheeled bags. And you have a strap. So, Cool Bill. Thanks for watching, YouTube.